Hi friends, I am back. Ever wondered what powers the batteries in electric cars, makes hydrogen fuel cells more efficient, or even helps clean up industrial processes? The answer might surprise you. It's a material called nickel foam. But what exactly is it, and why is it so useful? Stick around, because today we're diving into the science, properties, and real-world applications of this incredible material. In this video, we will cover following topics. 1. What is nickel foam? 2. Key properties of nickel foam. 3. How is nickel foam made? 4. Real-world applications. 5. Future of nickel foam. What is nickel foam? Nickel foam is a lightweight, highly porous material made entirely of nickel but structured like a sponge. Imagine a metal with tiny interconnected holes that's nickel foam. It's strong, conducts electricity, and has a massive surface area, making it perfect for high-tech applications. Want to buy this product? Link is given in the description section. 2. Key properties of nickel foam. So, what makes nickel foam special? Here are its superpowers. High porosity, 85–98% air, perfect for filtering gases or liquids. Excellent conductivity, great for batteries and electronics. Thermal and chemical stability, works in extreme conditions. Lightweight but strong, can be compressed without breaking. Huge surface area, a small piece can have the surface area of a football field. 3. How is nickel foam made? Nickel foam is usually made by coating a polymer foam with nickel through electroplating, then burning away the plastic, leaving just the metallic skeleton. Another method uses powder metallurgy, where nickel powder is fused into a foam structure. 4. Real-world applications. Now, the coolest part, where is nickel foam actually used? Batteries and supercapacitors. Nickel foam is a game-changer in batteries. Its 3D structure helps store more energy, making electric car batteries last longer. Hydrogen fuel cells and water. Splitting scientists use nickel foam to produce hydrogen fuel from water cheaper and more efficient than traditional methods. Filtration and sound absorption. Its porous structure makes it great for filtering pollutants or even blocking sound in jet engines. EMI shielding and sensors. Ever worry about electromagnetic interference in your phone? Nickel foam can block it. It's even used in medical sensors. 5. Future of nickel foam. With research into better energy storage and green tech, nickel foam could help revolutionize everything from electric aviation to carbon capture. Scientists are even testing coated nickel foams to make them last longer and work even better. So, next time you hear about a breakthrough in batteries or clean energy, remember, nickel foam might be playing a hidden role. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe for more science content, and let me know in the comments, where else should we use nickel foam?